Hello guys! So today's vlog, I'm back in the city with my daughter. We will cruise around the city of Perth and I will show you some of the nice spots here in the city. So this building in front of us is called the Perth Town Hall and this was built in 1870. So join us today guys on our city tour. Our first stop, let's check out inside Stirling Gardens. But before that, before we go inside, I will show you first the famous kangaroo statues. So we will go on this side here guys, on the left side, where the bus side is, here. Then I will show you the kangaroo statues. She got a little Joey inside, look. See, she got a little Joey. And this one is little. This must be the daddy. This must be the dad. Hey? There you go guys. Okay. And then this one just on the side of the road. See? Can go down here.
It smells like a swimming pool.
Yeah, it smells chlorine, right?
So many bugs.
Bugs, yeah, because of the flowers. Hmm. This way lang. So what is I can't read it.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. Oh, poor ladybug. Okay. Where's all the flowers ba? Wala ng flowers. It's all dead.
I know.
It's not dead.
I know where they are.
Big trees.
Look, on top of it. And then jump all the way down.
So you can go and have a sit down, drink your tea, iced tea,
This is a nice.
or milk tea, bubble tea. Yan.
Bye-bye.
Boba.
Oh, bubble tea.
Oh, lots of people outside.
Utopia should go sponsor us.
Utopia
My
should spend. Hey. Oh, look at the trees. Look at the tree, Baba. This one is a big building. And guys, pwedeng mag-picnic dyan.
Can I sit down?
Do you want to sit down? We're going na to the... Q&A? What kind of Q&A do you want? What kind of Q&A do you want?
Yeah, like facts about our life or something. Like when people ask you questions
Yeah,
and then you have to answer them.
we can. Oh, this I thought it's still concrete. Do you wanna go that way? Okay. Hi? This way? Okay. Hello! Kamusta? Hello! Ito yung nature feels. Nasa nature tayo. Yan. So what is this called?
Do you think I can do something like that and then just
Yeah, try. Try. Cool. Okay, we go this way. That was fun. And you have some flowers here. We go this way to the bell tower. comes the bell tower. That's the one. Okay, go. Bye-bye. Hi. Here you go, guys. This is the back.
No, but it's actually in.
This way ba? It's nice here too, huh? Look, and they have that what you call that? Lab key, lab unlock, or what you call that? There. The keys. I know the keys is not there.
Yeah, but I thought they throw it in here.
They throw it in the water. No, I don't think so.
There's none.
Hi?
There's none here.
Yeah, there's none there. Ayan guys, ang bell tower. So, punta tayo sa front ng bell tower. Yan, meron ding seat. Pwedeng umupo. And, yeah. We'll go this way. I never been there on that water side yet, Nick. We'll check out, hi. Find money.
Yeah.
Maybe someone make a wish. Maybe someone make a wish.
They're 2002.
Oh, that's an old one. Yeah, it looks like you're in Paris. This is our Perth version. Yan guys, daming padlocks. Hi? 2020, that's a new one.
2020.
Oh, this is a new one, look.
2020.
So where you can do this one?
20.
In here in the bell tower.
2020.
2020, yes. Ito yung front ng bell tower, guys. You can go inside and pay if you want to go. $35. So it costs $35 if you go inside and have a look what's inside. So yeah, there's a lot so in this side. If you want to avail the love locks, you can go inside the bell tower and you can inquire how you can get the love locks if you want to put your love locks in this area. Oh wow, May 1971. That's a long time. it's free entry for kids ba? Free entry siya guys for kids pag school holidays. Okay. For every fall paying adult up to 4 children will receive free entry. Alright. This time guys, we did not go inside the bell tower because my daughter is more interested with the rides in the Elizabeth Quay. They have there the Carnival Park since it's school holiday here. So I will bring her there and give her a ride. So our next vlog would be the Elizabeth Quay. So Elizabeth Quay is next to this bell tower. Nice boat. Dito tayo guys. Tingin-tingin lang tayo dito. Oh, you cannot go in ba? You cannot go that way. My cruise. Cafe ito guys. Cafe. Okay, we're going to Elizabeth Quay now.